Friends, welcome to the 7th session for the series Test Automation Framework for Web Applications built using Cypress and JavaScript. In the last session, we saw how helpful is Cypress Test Runner basically in terms of tracking the test steps. In this session, we'll add the Cypress Mochawesome report for the reporting purpose in our project. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, we have seen the execution, we have seen like how can we execute our test cases using test runner, how can we execute in the different browsers, right? But we have not implemented the reporting part yet. So let me just search for the Mocha Awesome Reporter plugin. Okay, yeah, here is the one. So there are some changes which we have to make in our project so that we will be able to see the reporting part. We'll be able to see the reports. Okay, so this is the command basically which we have to use. So let me go to the terminal. Let me clear this. Okay, so what I'm trying to achieve here is with the help of Node Package Manager, I'm going to install the Cypress Mocha Awesome Reporter and that also as a dev dependency. So under this dev dependency only, there will be one more dependency added after the successful installation. So let me just press the enter key. Let's just check here as well. Yeah, we went on this and this is the command which we fired to install the reporter. So this should add the Cypress Mochawesome Reporter. Yeah. You see, it added 95 packages and found 0 vulnerabilities. So it is successfully added now. Okay. So the next step would be to do the changes inside the Cypress configuration file. So Cypress configuration file. Okay. So this is the one. Let me just go here. You see, this was the one. And inside the Cypress configuration file, let me update the details. For example, just a second. I already have done that part. Okay. Cypress configuration. What I'm trying to achieve there is basically I'm actually providing some custom information to the project so that yeah, let me add it here for the reporting. So this is basically what I mentioned, like this is the reporter which I am going to use and there are some options which I have provided. Okay, so where exactly this report should be generated, like Cypress under this Cypress directory there should be a folder critical reports and under that this should be the folder which will have all those reports. Okay, this will be the page title and all other details are there. Okay, let me just done that. This is completed. Also we have to add this require basically. Let me just add it here under this setup node events basically. So let me add this plugin. Yeah, and just save it. Okay, then you see in the session of when we were seeing the project structure, so we saw like there are the support files. So inside this e2e.js we have to do the import. So what are we importing now? This is basically Cypress Mochawesome Reporter. Cypress Mochawesome Reporter, and basically we want to register it. Okay, this is also we are done. And now you see we have not made any other changes in any other files. So let me just execute it in the Chrome browser and let's see if we are able to see the reports under the directory called reports, which should be created under Cypress folder. I've executed in the same way only. Okay, now you see I have a folder called reports. Let me open it in the Finder. You see the folder name is source demo UI test reports. Basically, if you go here inside the configuration file, so this was the path which we actually provide. This is the custom path. We actually can change this path. Okay, and let me just open this maybe in the Edge browser. Open with some browser. Let me select the Edge browser. Okay, you see this is the name of your project and what is the title of this page basically. So this is the page title. Okay, this is also customizable. Embedded screenshot is something which we have marked as true, right? So it means that if you are actually capturing any screenshots on the pass or fail, so that should be directly added to the report itself. Currently there is no screenshot added, right? Because the test case got no test case is passed and we have not added anything. So let me add one command there in that inside the test case only. So as a last step would be, let me add a screenshot. Okay, and let me now re-execute it, maybe this time on the Firefox. Yeah, the Firefox is up now. Let's get started. Yeah, part is done. Let me press enter key and let me navigate back here. So this is the report now. This is the other name. This is now you see. Now you see with all the code which we have added here, which we have written inside this spec file, with that we are able to see the screenshots as well. Okay, so this is how actually you can optimize, you can update these configurations. Basically what all this means, for that you can actually refer this page. So npm js, then Cypress Mochawesome Reporter. Okay, there are multiple options which you can actually provide, like if you want to ignore videos, embedded screenshots. Okay, what does this property basically means? Okay, video on fail only. So for example, if you want to record the video but only for the failed test cases, okay, you're interested in that, so you can mark this property as video on fail only and then mark it as true or false. Okay, so this is how you can actually add the reporting part, and you can see the reports with the embedded screenshots and videos. Videos we will see in the later session, like we'll see in the utility section, but yeah, screenshots and the reporting part we already done. Okay, in the next session we will see how can we handle the multiple environments basically. So currently what we are doing, we have actually hard coded this value here, right? This is the application based URL, so this should not be the case. For example, if we have multiple spec files here, multiple test cases files, suite files here, so we are not going to provide it in this way, right? So there should be one place from where we are going to pick this. So in the next session we'll see how can we handle multiple environments, for example dev, pre-prod, prod and QA. Okay, and we are going to use the Cypress custom commands. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.